Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, good morning to everyone. This video regarding circulatory system of cockroach. Before that, previously videos we made 3 videos regarding cockroach type study. One video introduction and second video morphology of external morphology of cockroach and third video digestive system of cockroach. These 3 videos completed. So this is the 4th video regarding cockroach type study. In that type study anatomy we are discussing. In the anatomy circulatory system of cockroach we will discuss in this video. Let me start today video session. Good morning students. See circulatory system of Periplaneta. Periplaneta americana, cockroach scientific name. So already digestive system completed. Then this circulatory system helps in the transportation of digestive food. So now I think so you got the concept. Already in the 10th standard life process chapter you studied about circulatory system of human being. So on that day, on that time you got the functions of circulatory system. Basically when you heard the circulatory system word statement you thought it regarding blood. Okay, blood, how it will flow inside of the body. Then at the time of the blood flow one place to another place, the blood is carrying the several things. Here Periplaneta americana transport system is circulatory system transportation of the digestive food and hormones. Because of in our body also endocrinal glands onwards hormones are secreting that hormones through the blood circulation it will be reach the appropriate glands, correct only na? As the same way the hormones and the digestive food also absorbing into the blood, then it will goes to different body parts of the cockroach. So circulatory system, that is the significance. I think so in human being circulatory system playing one more important role in the transportation of the gases, respiratory gases. But here circulatory system not at play an important role in the transportation of the respiratory gases. Circulatory system does not role in the respiration. Okay, for that in the last video session I said one thing. For respiration wise the body having the some of the small holes, that holes spiracles, not sclerites, spiracles. Respiratory system time details, about the details I will be explained. So here the statement you should be remember, that statement is circulatory system of the Periplaneta play an important role in the digestive system, digestive food item and hormones transportation only, not at play an important role in the respiration. That is the first statement. And the second statement, the circulatory system of the Periplaneta is the open type, pointer place paranga. Now this is the time to recognize, recall what I said, the differentiations of open type and closed type blood circulatory system. General characteristics of the animal kingdom, the one of the criteria or separation of the animals into the groups, that is a circulatory system. On the circulatory system, open type of circulatory system and closed type of circulatory system. See, when the blood flows into the body cavity, such a type of circulatory system we call as a open type of circulatory system. Now question is, why the blood is flowing in the body cavity? Okay, for comparison wise I am saying, if you take our blood circulatory system, our blood is flowing into the blood vessels. That blood vessels, arteries and veins, in between the arteries and veins capillaries connection is there. So blood never comes out from the blood vessels, when they, exception when they are damaged. Okay, blood bleeding will be chances when the blood vessels are damaged. Okay, but up to that the blood will be not at open out. Okay, that is a closed type of blood circulatory system. But now I am saying about the open type of circulatory system. That means blood some of the time in the circulation, it will come out from the blood vessels into the flows into the body cavity. So such a type of circulatory system we called as a open type circulatory system. Here Annelida group theriyum kadanna, Annelida phylum. In the Annelida phylum, one of the type study it's there, but according to this academic year we deleted, board deleted that portion. Annelida, in the Annelida earthworms type study we seen that earthworm having a closed type of blood circulatory system. Okay, closed type of blood circulatory system means all the time blood only flows in the blood vessels itself. Okay, so differentiation and comparative understanding of the anatomy of the different organisms we should be remember. That is helpful to the increasing of build up the knowledge. And then now next one, here the blood flows in the body cavity. Now that blood we call as a hemocoel. That cavity we call as a hemocoel. Why this is body cavity we call as a hemocoel? Hem means meaning, the hem means meaning blood, seal means cavity. When the body cavity allowing the flow of the blood in the space, such a body cavity we call as a hemocoel. Such a body cavity we call as a hemocoel. So that is a thing, that is a theme. So blood body cavity contains the blood, so that blood body cavity we called as a hemocoel. They come to the next third point, blood vessels are poorly developed. That only now I said in the which blood type system or which circulatory system not yet have blood vessels, so that's why the flowing of the blood in the body cavity, that's why it is a open type. Reason, this is the fourth statement. In the reason explained in the fourth statement, blood vessels are poorly developed, so the blood is open into the some body cavity or nothing but open into the space. Okay, this is the general function and then general character of a circulatory system of Periplaneta. Now when you enter the, if you enter the circulatory system, the circulatory system having the several parts, especially when you heard that a circulatory system, in your mind you thought it two important words. You got the two important words. That one is the blood, another one is the heart. Correct only, na? Okay, so as usually here also circulatory system of the Periplaneta, it contains heart and then body cavity. Already I said na, blood flowing into the body cavity, that body cavity hemocoel, and then blood and aorta and alveolar muscles. These and these two are small parts. Situationally it will help. Where they are located, what their function, diagrammatic explanation time I will explain. Majority of the circulatory system part, heart, hemocoel and blood. In our textbook they gave a 4 lines content only. Okay, that elaboration of that 4 lines of content. Heart, the heart part having 13 chambers. Heart contains the 13 chamber. In our body, heart having the only 4 chambers. As like different organisms, they are having the different chamber number, different number of chambers in heart. Amphibians are 2 chambers, and the amphibians 3 chambers, fishes are 2 chambers, reptiles incompletely 4 chambers, that we see. Here cockroach heart 13 chambers. Where they are located? These 13 chambers basically in the head region of the cockroach it is a capsule. And then thoracic, how many segments are there in thorax? 3 segments, correct na? And then abdomen, how many segments are there? 10 segments are there. So 3 plus 10, 13 kadana. So heart 13 chambers located individually, one chamber in the one heart chamber is present in the one segment, one. That means 3 chambers of the heart located in the thorax, and then 10 chambers are present in the abdomen. Thorax made up of the 3 chambers, prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax, and then 10 abdominal chambers, that we know. Okay, so totally heart having the 13 chambers, that you should be remember. Okay, then that heart movement, contract and relaxation. Our heart also showing something movement, that is a cardiac muscles, correct na? As like here also heart having the additional muscles, that muscles only I explained here, Auxiliary muscles. Heart attaching with the auxiliary muscles, these auxiliary muscles contraction and relaxation only, it will be play an important role in the pumping of the blood from the heart. Okay, that's the point. Then hemocoel is nothing but a body cavity. In the body cavity, why we call body cavity into the hemocoel? Already second statement I explained. What is the reason? When the blood flows into the body cavity, that blood related of that blood we call as the body cavity into the hemocoel. Of course, these hemocoel again divide into the several chambers. In our textbook it is not at give. NEET level time we will discuss. Board level this matter is enough. So hemocoel divide into the several chambers. By that chambers organs are located in the body cavity. Okay, so organs also present in the body cavity, blood also flows in the body cavity. Then what it happened mean, directly which organ requires the oxygen, that time that organ will absorbing the oxygen directly from the blood in the hemocoel. That is the point. And then next come to the very important part, it is a fluid part. Okay, it is a tissue and then it is a fluid part. Okay, blood, that about blood we know thing, the blood is a fluid tissue. This blood we call as a hemolymph. Why we call as a hemolymph? See, just now I wrote this statement, Nana. Blood we call as a hemolymph. Why the blood of cockroach we call as a hemolymph? Lymph, you know the significance of it. It is a colorless fluid. Okay, so here this blood also we consider as a lymph, but it is real blood. Why we call it a hemolymph? The reason, the cockroach blood does not have respiratory pigment. In our body, blood is red in color. Due to the reason, everyone knows that hemoglobin is a red color pigment, correct only na? So respiratory pigment is absent. So this already I said in the top, circulatory system does not play an important role in the respiration, correct only na? So when that circulatory system does not involving the respiration, automatically reason respiratory pigment is not at present. Without respiratory pigment, blood does not carrying the oxygen. Like individually blood does not have the ability to the carrying of oxygen. So when they are having the any respiratory pigments, that respiratory pigment is able to carrying or hold it the oxygen to transport the different body parts through the blood. So here blood is not at having respiratory pigment, no respiratory pigment, so that's why it is a colorless, white in color. When we dissect the cockroach, automatically we can see total body is white in color, because of it is a lack of respiratory pigment. So that is a reason the blood of the cockroach we call the hemolymph. Then come to the next part, is the aorta and auxiliary muscles. Already I said auxiliary muscles are attaching to the heart. That heart contraction and relaxation is controlling by the Auxiliary muscles. Then what is the aorta? Diagrammatic representation time I will explain. See, come to the point in the diagrammatic representation in the second column. Okay, we know the cockroach body is divided into the three regions. One is the head, another one is the thorax, and then abdominal. Correct only, na? Now come to the point, circulatory system. That circulatory system having the 13 chambered heart kadanana. That 13 chambered heart, this, see, thoracic how many chambers? 3 chambers. And then abdominal how many chambers, sir? 10 chambers. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally 13 chambered heart arranging in the dorsal side. Which side? Dorsal side. Okay, our heart is located in the ventral side, not a dorsal side. But invertebrate's heart located on the dorsal side, that to midline. But our heart not like that. Our heart located in somewhat of left side. So midline of the dorsal side, these 13 chambers are arranged. These 13 chambers attaching with the dorsal with the help of the Auxiliary muscles. Here triangular shapes I drawn now. The triangular structures we call the Auxiliary muscles. With the help of the Auxiliary muscles contraction only, these heart chambers are allowing the movement of the blood inside of the heart. Okay, so how it will function, that we want to know. See, here in the 13 chambered heart, 3 chambers are thorax and then 10 chambers are abdomen kadanana. In the top of the heart, one blood vessel will come out. That blood vessel name anterior aorta. This part we call as a anterior. Correct only, na? This part posterior. So anterior aorta is allowing the or omit the blood into the body cavity. Okay, so through the body aorta, anterior aorta, blood will come out. So now question in your mind, how blood is omitting by the aorta? That is your question. See, these Auxiliary muscles first will contract. Which Auxiliary muscle will contract first? In the 13th chamber, and abdominal last chamber is there now. That Auxiliary muscles will contract, and due to that heart will contract. So that's why by the pressureful, blood will be flows into the upward direction. That means a head direction. So blood will be moving 13 to 12, 12 to 11, like that it will move on from the 12th chamber, 13th chamber to up to first one. So due to the reason Auxiliary muscles contraction, blood will come omitted or come out from the heart by the aorta. Then blood will be enter into this side. This side means body cavity. Already blood body cavity, what it is having, body parts it is containing. So that body parts are receiving the oxygen from the floating blood. Due to that is the reason that we call as a coelom is a hemocoel. That and blood is a hemolymph. Here lymph means colorless, seal means body cavity. Then when the blood is open into the body cavity, how it will enter the inside of the heart? That is a question mark. We have circulatory system with the help of arteries and then veins. Arteries are supplying the blood to the different body parts. Veins are receiving the blood from the different body parts, except one artery and one vein, that we know. But in the cockroach, how it will be taken? Blood is how it will receiving from the body part. See, blood where it is there, it is blood present in the body cavity. Now the heart posterior place, heart chamber posterior, this place, this corner place. Okay, in which place one heart chamber opening into the another heart chamber upward direction, and the adjacent side a small opening is there either sides. That openings we call as a ostia. I think so this word you heard in the porifera body, totally having a lot of minute holes. That holes that holes we call as ostia. Correct only na kadananna. So here ostia madri or small holes are present in the posterior side of the each and every heart chamber. That too in which place the lower heart chamber opening into the upper heart chamber, that opening place either side it is present. Either side it is present. So that exaggerates structure like this. This is the one heart chamber, this is one heart chamber, this is one heart chamber. This heart chamber opening into the one above heart chamber. Okay, previous heart chamber. So this is a corner. This corner a small hole is there. By that small hole blood will be enter into the heart. Okay, that which hastia onwards, each and every hastia onwards blood will be, because of blood is filled in the outside of the heart, that to body cavity, in the total body cavity filled with here blood. So that blood will be enter appropriate or suitable heart chamber. Then that heart chambers again with the help of the artery muscle contraction, the blood will be moving to the upward up to anterior aorta and first thoracic chamber, thorax heart chamber. That first thoracic heart chamber will be omit to the blood into the again head and head downwards body cavity. This is the body blood circulation of the cockroach. Okay, then what we learned this why circulatory system of the periplaneta does not play an important role in the respiration. That is a major important question. Okay, why here blood of cockroach we call as a hemolymph, and then why cockroach body cavity we call as a hemocoel, and how many chambers are there, how many heart chambers are there. This is some of the basic questions in the examination. Then next continuation video I would like to explain about the nervous system of cockroach. Okay, up to that wait, Nana. Thank you.